welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Katra and Sunflowers. Man, that's good, beautiful, great fun. Don't be the entertainer. Already was lodging at the Tuesday. Tuesday, Lily Shanganile. I what's the white dream? I always saw you posting it. Guys, what did Katra fall into? What did you fall inside? Can we get a never fall? Apology, you're now Katra well agarra. Today it's kind of cold, so we lazy. Let me go see my Bafana Bagwabuni Bafana. What did Katra even fall into? What trap is this? Which guy? You saw that side of Rojo. PB come. Can you was he? Man. Galavan Lena. Shwena Galavan. Kiaris. Interior bands. This guy left his shoes. Get about everything in. Come. Hi. Let me go check up on the speed cars. Let me go check up on the mastermind. A weekend with spin cars not going out is a way out weekend. It's a way out weekend. Juzana Mashangani way. They're still fine. They're still the way I know them. They're still the way I know them. Okay. But it's weird. It's very weird. Spin cars, they sit in the rain, it rains, nothing ever happens to them. These cars are not human. These cars aren't human. Marawena, your Hyundai i10, if you just take it to the car wash and water enters the engine by mistake, dies forever. It never starts anymore. And for its entire existence, you never have a peaceful, fine running Hyundai i10 because they splashed a little bit of water into the engine bay while the bonnet was closed. But yeah, don't judge it. It's your choice. Do you want to spend so much money on an engine that is going to actually save you forever? Or you rather have a nice looking car with a weak engine that always breaks? Yes, yes, the body doesn't look as much as you guys anticipated, but ask yourself, what's the root cause of the body being like this? It's because the engine is strong. The engine is so strong that it ended up making this body to be like this. When it's too powerful, this suffers. So but in your case, this is not powerful and the whole body suffers because yours, this is not powerful. So make a good choice. And when this is powerful, the car will always drive, just will look scrappy because this is too powerful. But if you don't drive it the way this car is being driven, you can have a powerful this and the body would still be. This body is just because this is too powerful and they drive it. I hope you get me. Some people say, no, Rain doesn't want coil packs. Okay. Here are the coil packs. Now what? No, Rain doesn't want. Rain doesn't want them exposed. Everything is exposed here. Okay, let me leave the VQ. I'm not only talking about the VQ, even the V8. Same thing. Before you start saying I'm concentrating on one, it's just that one is closer. And I'm able to reference it from a nearby angle. Here's the coil. Something they always say cover when you're going to the car wash. And here's the coil. No bonnet. Just rain straight. At any angle. As long as rain pours from the sky, at any angle, it will enter the sky. No, don't wash the car's engine bay like from a straight line. You need to do it from an angle and whatnot. Here it enters straight. What do you have to say? But I'm just giving you a lesson about spin cars. Spin cars are forever. And guys, these cars can last you forever if you literally take very good care of them. Because Katra is a living test. He's a living test of how hard these cars can go, how strong they are, how long lasting they can be. When they get to the show, they don't play, they don't get warmed up, and they just get in. Now it's time to play. They move them. They don't get there and they're like, no, this car, let's take care of it. But your cars are driven nicely, like they're being nursed. At the same time, they don't even last longer than these ones. Bottom line is, try to build yourself a car that you want to drive every day. Make sure that it has a strong engine, and then you're going to have a car forever. Same thing I did to Dong Sahur. I made sure that I have a car that has a strong engine, and I'm going to drive it forever. It ends there. Not adding anything, not subtracting anything. So yeah, you want to enjoy life, get yourself VQ35 or a V8, and you'll feel go sharp. Okay. Yeah, man. Stop suffering. I'm here. I'll help you. What other thing do you want to know about building a spin car? Or maybe just building a normal car? Why did they even open here? I have no idea. Well, that's where they blew the clutch. So they blew the clutch. Clutch and brake go hand in hand. Alright, I think today's lesson, you guys got it. And yeah, gonna go back now. We left, got a ride into town. Now we're going back to chill. The weather is not the best. It's chilly. Now we're going back inside. And that is all we have for this episode of Cast, Dance and Class. And I mean, that could be a full great fun host Nkupi the entertainer. This side looks like the workers section, and this guy, it's not the non-workers section. When I say non-workers, I'm like they don't use their cars to work. Bye-bye.